Hi! Do you know what this is? Well, if you paid attention in your geometry class at school, you will know that this cute little thing is a protractor! And a protractor is an instrument that used for measuring and constructing angles. Now you're probably saying to yourself, Eric, I really hated math class when I was a kid, so why are we talking about math for heaven's sakes? Well, I'm not here to bring up bad memories of math class from years ago, but I did want to use our little protractor to show you something. You see, if you look carefully at this, you will see the different markings for the angles you could draw with this. Can you see it? Now, we could take this protractor and draw a 180-degree angle, and since today is day 180, we have reached our just about halfway point together. When you look at this angle, you can see that it is a straight line. You have point A here, and you have point B here. And as we all know, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. Well, you can look at this 180-degree angle and remind you of our journey starting way back on day 1, or point A, to today, day 180 point B. Between these 2 points, we have covered a whole lot of territory. I've chosen today as the day to look back and take stock of where we come from and where we're going. Because day 180 is a turning point in our lives together. It's a point where we can either continue ahead and stick with our program, or we can, well, do a 180. You know, like when you're in your car and you're going over an icy road. If we're not careful, we could flip around and hit backwards, losing all the progress we've made so far. So what have we learned since the last time we took our inventory? Well, we've learned to recognize ourselves for the terrific person we are, and to respect ourselves for the unique qualities we have. We have declared our independence from food, and we know that it's okay to show our emotions, even if we have to cry every once in a while. We have learned to accept our setbacks, because we know that as today wasn't so good, tomorrow will be a better day. What's cooking in the kitchen these days? Have you tried some of the ideas we gave you in our Cooking for One segment back on day 100? Are you putting fiber in your food program? Don't forget how important fiber can be in preventing colon cancer and lower your cholesterol. From beef to blueberry breakfast pudding, to butter to bread, we cover a whole range of new and interesting foods for thought. Hope you add these ideas to your menu. Are you getting adventurous? Trying out new fruits and unusual veggies? You learn all about the nutritional value of a well-balanced meal that includes fresh fruit and vegetables. Remember, God made more than just little green apples. And with a wide variety of things on the market today, I'm sure you'll find something you love. How are things going in the exercise department? You know I was going to ask that question, didn't you? Well, come on, be honest. Have you been brave enough to try the new setups we demonstrated? Well, I think it'd be a little tricky, but with some practice, you'll get the hang of it. If you do these setups and add them to a workout, you'll see some amazing results for smoother, firmer stomach muscles in no time flat. If you made resolutions for yourself, remember to make them achievable. The quickest way to become defeated is to have goals that are unreachable. Take little steps, you'll go further even though it takes longer, and the results will be more lasting. You know, this little protractor is fun, because not only can you draw a straight line, you can also draw a semicircle like this, which is about 180 degrees. Put two semicircles together, and my friend, we will have a perfect circle. If we make the right choices now to continue forward on our journey, to keep forging ahead, we will eventually make our way around, and at the other end of these tapes, we will have come full circle together.